Good afternoon, traders. It's Bill Baruch with Blue Line Futures and it's your daily midday market minute. Happy Monday. We're seeing equities snap back, and it's really no surprise. We talked about potentially getting a good floor here today, but the overhead resistance in the S&P, 4208, 4213. It's rare major four-star resistance. We've said a close above there is extremely bullish. And what we like most about it is you can start seeing the NASDAQ and the S&P working together to get through some of the toughest levels of resistance. If the S&P gets through there, then the NASDAQ's facing major three-star resistance, 14,230, 14,270. When the S&P doesn't have another big resistance level until about 4240. So they kind of feed with each other and they work hand in hand. That is when we think the market can be the most bullish. So that is something we expect if we get that strong close out above 4213 here today in the S&P. Now you have the Fed committee members starting to come out, a big deluge of speak here through the first half of the week, and then some of the data is going to talk the back half of the week. Bullard obviously on Friday, very, very hawkish again. You have Kaplan talking today, saying taking the foot off the accelerator a bit. But what we're really looking forward to is New York Fed President Williams at 2 p.m. Central Time today. He's going to be key. We think he's going to be a little more dovish, a Jekyll and Hyde, if you will, from the committee message last week to what we started to hear this week, and you got Fed Chair Powell tomorrow. So still a lot to digest as the week begins to unfold. And then looking at crude oil. Crude oil is ripping higher here, $73 out above there. Good resistance there. So close above there paves another path to the next resistance level, about $77. But you got a good floor. We talked about building another floor at $70. So going to establish another floor even higher, maybe 71.5. We'll have to see how things look up at the end today. But we increased our bullishness in crude oil again. And then the metals, it's a little bit of a lackluster bounce here. A lot of damage overhead. Lackluster bounce, though, given what the dollar has done. Dollars is falling back pretty good. You see things like the British pound roaring higher about a penny. Everything's snapping back. But the metals, little unenthusiastic, though we do think the gold is going to find its way to 1,800 at minimum this week. And silver, really even more unenthusiastic. It needs to get above 26.10 and 26.55. But I think 27 could be in the cards here this week for silver. Give us a call, though. We're here to help. Our trade desk is here at 312-278-0500. Remember, the futures trading involves substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for all investors.